In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Steam Console. The Steam Console is a built-in tool that lets you run advanced commands and view diagnostic information. It's handy for troubleshooting, testing features, and performing tasks that aren't exposed in the regular interface. I'll show you the fastest way to open it using a run command. And then a simple shortcut tweak so you can launch Steam with the console whenever you want. First, the quick method on your keyboard. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the field that appears, type Steam // Open / console exactly like that, with no spaces, and press Enter. If Steam is closed, it will launch. If it's already open, it will jump to the front. A new tab labeled Console will appear along the top of the Steam window, right alongside Store, Library, Community, and your profile name. Click that tab to view the console. That's it. This is the fastest way to get in, and it doesn't change any settings on your system. If you want a more permanent option, you can add a small flag to your Steam shortcut so the console is available every time you start Steam from that shortcut. Find your Steam shortcut on the desktop. Then right-click it and choose Properties. In the window that opens, look for the target field. Move your cursor to the very end of the existing text. Add a single space, then type a hyphen followed by the word console. The result should be the original path, a space, and then -console. Be careful not to delete anything that's already there. Click Apply to save the change. If Windows shows a prompt asking for confirmation, click Yes, then click OK to close the Properties window. Now, open Steam using that same shortcut you just edited. When Steam launches, you'll see the Console tab along the top, right where your other tabs are. Open it to start entering commands or monitoring output. If you ever prefer to launch Steam without the console from this shortcut, simply reverse the change later by removing that flag. A few quick tips as you explore. The console is mainly for advanced tasks, so type carefully and only run commands you understand. If you don't need it visible, just switch back to your usual tabs. Your games and downloads won't be affected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.